Okay, then the onions, the tomatoes, okay. That's the small pie. That's it. So now let's which one do you want?
This one.
Okay. Then okay, this is garlic. Maybe no?
Smells good.
really. Oh. May I have a mandarin? Oh. So bad. I will comment to him also blah. Blah. It's so funny.